So safety is really important for us here at Golf 360.
Hey, you get back! That's him on the naughty list.
Need to look at your trade-in vehicle.
Yes?
You've got a 1645 sleigh that's done how many Ks?
64, 65 million. Buy one, Kmart, $7, your elf slapper. It's a new Polar Fleece. I think it's nice. I think I'll get lots of cuddles wearing this. Get yourself to Icebreakers. They've got lots of lovely things in. Merino wool in New Zealand. La 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 la. Oh, this machine is an absolute heap of. My sleigh would do a lot better job than this piece of. Ho 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 ho.